What can we call this? This right here, sir? In the ground that don't look bumper clock sound. This right here, so you want to play with? Look on the inscriptions. Put it back in the ground. Uno, two, fast. Go sit down, pan your ass. I'm tired of you keep touching up things that don't concern you. You keep coming and doing it again and again and again. What make you want to dig it out to the ground, eh? What possess you if you come up and dig out this thing out to the ground? You don't think say you could get possessed yourself, you know? No, man, it's like you can't hear me. You can't just let things be. You don't think say we have trouble already?